All right, Dylan is changing his flares on his motorcycle. Fairings. Fairings. On his bicycle. Oh, destroyed. He's getting a new color from Grayazo to Rojo. I'm gonna do this one, and this one, and then this is the bottom part, which is that one. That goes under it. I already got this one. I'm doing on that one over there. Alright, so we did the front already. Took like forever. We got these little grommets, but we got them in. Alright, Dylan finished it the next day. These parts were hard to put on. Dylan gave up on them pretty much, but the next day he got it. Think it's looking good now. What do you think, Dylan? Does it look good now?
It's alright.
I'm giving a little bath action.